Hi guys, how are we doing? Just a video on my Suzuki Burgman. For some reason, Suzuki still fit the normal bulbs, non-LED, bit backward. I mean, this is a 2019. So I'm going to upgrade the rear bulbs. So what you want to do, start off with, put the key in the ignition, because you've got to open up your boot. Give it one click back, lift her up, and then you've got access. Because I've got the passenger seat support, this has got to come off first. I'm guessing if you've got a top box, then it's going to be the same. So these are 5mm Allen keys. So I'm going to get the gun in a minute and gun them off, and then we have to pop off these 3 pop rivets. If you just get your screwdriver and just point the tip in the center, then they pop up and you can slide them out. So we'll do that bit and then we'll come back. So just to show you how to get the pop rivets, put the screwdriver in, push it, push the center in, and then just lift it out. So once you've got the 3 of them out, you literally have to slide this back and then lift it up, because you've got a screw. Another job you can do while you're in this location is, obviously, if you want to upgrade your boot light to an LED, as I have, you literally just pull and you can get your get access to your bulb. I've obviously already upgraded this one to an LED, so it's nice and bright and less power. So, and then that just goes back in there. My lovely packed boot. You can see, nice bright LED. And obviously your backlights, stroke stop lights, because they're still using the backward bulbs. Never mind. Okay. Another job you can do while you're in this location is, obviously, if you want to upgrade your boot light to an LED, as I have, you literally just pull and you can get your get access to your bulb. I've obviously already upgraded this one to an LED, so it's nice and bright and less power. So, and then that just goes back in there. My lovely packed boot. You can see, nice bright LED. And obviously your backlights, stroke stop lights. So here we have the stock tail light bulbs with the stock original bulb. Again, make sure you get the correct type. So I can't remember the code name for these ones, but they're like that because of the little blips, they're offset. So yeah, just make sure you get them ones. You can see them in the manual and find out correct. And this is the LED upgrade version. Seems a little bit quicker on response time. Looking at it in the daytime, you can't see a great deal of difference. So the one on the left is the LED. You can just see all the little dots in there. But I'm happy. So another little job, nice and easy to do. Getting access to these can be a bit fiddly, but just get your hands in it. It's more a case of getting it back in. There's a larger section in the top corner, so if you get a torch in there, which I just done, you can see it and then just pop it in. So, but to take it out, turn it clockwise and then pull her out. So there you go. Thanks for watching.